Getting a mortgage in Canada can feel like a big process, but breaking it into clear steps makes it much easier to handle. First, take a good look at your credit. Order a credit report from Equifax, TransUnion, or even a free service like Borrowell. Check for mistakes. Sometimes a small error can hurt your score without you knowing. If your score is low, take some time to improve it by paying bills on time, keeping balances low, and avoiding unnecessary new credit. A better score can mean a smaller down payment and a lower interest rate. Next, apply for mortgage pre-approval. This gives you a clear idea of how much you can borrow before you start house hunting. You'll need documents that prove your identity, your job, your income, and your ability to cover both the down payment and closing costs. Lenders will also ask about your assets, debts, and may calculate your debt-to-income ratios. Think of this as a financial checkup that shows sellers you're a serious buyer. Once you're pre-approved, you'll be given a few options to choose from. You'll need to decide on the mortgage term, which could be as short as a few months or as long as 5 years before renewal. Then there's the amortization period, the total length of time you'll take to pay off the loan. A longer period means smaller payments but more interest over time. You'll also choose between a fixed or variable interest rate. Fixed rates stay the same for your term, while variable rates can go up or down. Decide how often you want to make payments, monthly, bi-weekly, or even weekly. And finally, choose between an open mortgage, which allows more flexibility to pay it off early, but usually costs more in interest, or a closed mortgage, which often has lower rates but less flexibility. You won't complete the official mortgage application until you've made an offer on a home and it's accepted. At that point, your lender will review your finances again to make sure nothing's changed, and they'll arrange a home appraisal to confirm the property's value matches the price you're paying. With your documents in order and decisions made, the process becomes a lot smoother, and you'll be ready to move forward confidently toward owning your new home.